That was epic. On the drop. Come on. Good morning, my friends. It's been a hot minute since I've been here. I used to always come to this spot till I got over my fear of exploring, and yeah, I haven't been here in months. So I thought it's outgoing tide, and I might have a little bit of a cast and see if there's anything. So yeah, stick around. Bye. So tide is going out quite fast, outgoing high tide. So we'll see. All right, let's go, let's go. Like I said in the intro, it's been a really long time since I've been here, and I wanted to revisit it today just for nostalgic purposes. This is where I used to come when I first started fishing at the beginning of 2023. I was total noob and didn't really know what I was doing, so this was my little safety spot. And normally at low tide you can walk all the way to the pylon over there, and yeah, this is where I kind of taught myself a lot of stuff and talked to a lot of people, and I always used to come here. I never used to go anywhere else. And then, I thought, damn girl, you really got to, pull your finger out and go somewhere else. And now it's like, all I want to do is go somewhere else. So many places to explore, so many bridges to explore. So yeah, there's a little bit of spotted cuss background on my little fishing adventures. Well then, yeah, right. Nearly. He was teasing me. Yep, had a good go. Oh, okay, hang on a minute. I actually have fun. Come on. Oh, it's very shallow. All right, come on. There we go. He's a little baby. Little baby breambo. Little baby breambo. Oof. It's a little one. But it's a good start. There's no skunk in the house today. Yeah. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on, little buddy. Yeah. Not much bigger, but nice. Come on. Just a little one again. That's good though. There we go. There we go. Come on, mate. Go, go, go. Oh, there we go. It's a freaking minutest little flathead. Oh my gosh, I kid you not, this is the smallest flathead I've ever caught. Wow. Oh my god. All right, let's get this little one back in here. You ready? Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Whee! See you in a couple of years. He's gone. Right on the edge. Oh, you want to go have a... Gosh, they're small. Oh, there he goes. Hang on. Oh. Hang on. Okay, let's just say we landed in... Oh, there you go. So many little breambos. Ooh. Another one. There you go. Probably the biggest one I've caught so far. Don't think it's legal, but good one. Straight in. Are you ready? Oh, I just got drenched. Ah, good one. Yeah, it was my own fault. But that. Yeah, I knew you were still there. I knew you were still there, mate. Come on. Oh, gee. What happened to all the big fish? Ah, goodness me. Another little one. Yep. There he is. Gosh, it's so little. What do you expect? Ah, and another one. I've lost count. I have to look back on all the footage. Not complaining. Oh, come on, people. All right, he's ready to go back in. Trying, mate. There we go. Another one. All right. Off you go. Ready in that big hole? Whee! There's the nibbles. There we go. Little one. They're regressing in size. Oh dear. Yep. Oh my goodness. I've seriously lost count, hey? I have just lost serious count. Oh, yay. Oh yeah, come on. Just that hit is so good. Oh, another one. Oh, that was epic. On the drop. Come on. There's one mozzie just harassing me currently. Get away from me, you stupid thing. Oh, he's gone around the pylons. Oh no, he's gone over this way. Yep, come on, come out, buddy. There we go. That was super cool. That was super cool, man. On the drop. Yeah, there's another breambo, but yeah, come on, mate. Oh yeah. Woohoo! That was great. Oh, I think he's legal. Oh, I think he's just legal. Oh, yeah, man. Finally. We'll measure him. Yeah. All right, finally. Legal, 26. Yoo-hoo! Oh, it's been a couple of hours. Yay! Finally a legal one. Ooh, yeah. Alright, let's go back in. Ready? Wrong way, mate, wrong way. Oh, he's gone. There we go. There he goes. Whee! Putting on a bit of a show. He's just recovering. Gone. Alright, that was a good session. It was more a quantity over quality kind of session for the fishes, but I've seriously lost count, like I did. I'll have to look back on all the footage and count them all up, all the little brimbos. One good solid size, one is fun morning, really fun morning. Glad you were with me, so we'll do it again. Bye.